In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel trades in TradingView. To get started, open TradingView and head over to the order list where all your active and pending trades are managed. Begin by opening TradingView Supercharts in your browser. You'll want to navigate to tradingview.com/chart using the Coinbase BTC USD symbol so the correct market is loaded on screen. Once the chart is open, look down at the bottom trading area and confirm that the connected account is set to paper trading. This makes sure you are working in a practice environment and not placing changes on a live account. If the bottom panel happens to be collapsed and you can't see your trading information, simply click Account Manager along the bottom edge of the screen to expand it back into view. With the panel open, click the Orders tab inside the bottom Account Manager panel. This is where every pending order you placed will be listed for review. Next, let's review the pending order before canceling it just to make sure we're removing the right one. Take a moment to find the pending BTC USD order row inside the Orders tab. Scan through the list until you locate the entry tied to that particular symbol. Now check the details on that row and confirm that it shows a limit buy order. This tells you the type of order that was placed and is waiting to be filled. Once you've verified the type, confirm that this is indeed the paper order you want to remove from the list before going any further. Next, let's go ahead and cancel the pending order from the Orders tab. On the far right side of the pending order row, you'll see a small X button. Click that X to begin the cancellation process for this specific order. A confirmation menu or dialog will then appear on your screen. Click Cancel Order inside that confirmation prompt to finalize the removal of the pending trade. Now watch the order row disappear from the Orders tab as TradingView processes the cancellation and refreshes the list. At this point, the Orders tab no longer shows the pending BTC USD limit buy order. The paper trade order has been canceled, which means it is no longer active inside TradingView and will not be executed. Congratulations, you have successfully canceled your pending trade in TradingView.